In a world that thrives on connection, being alone can often feel like an anomaly. We are social creatures, hardwired to seek companionship and belonging. Yet there exists a profound difference between being alone and feeling lonely. Loneliness is a state of lack, a yearning for something missing. Solitude, however, is a deliberate choice, a sanctuary we create for ourselves. Think of solitude as a warm bath for the soul. It's a space where we silence the external noise and tune into the whispers of our hearts. It's a time to reconnect with our inner landscape, to explore the vastness within. Solitude is not about isolation, but about intimacy with oneself. Just as a garden needs space for individual plants to flourish, we too need solitude to cultivate our personal growth. It is in the quiet moments of solitude that we gain clarity, perspective, and a deeper understanding of ourselves. Solitude is not a punishment, but a privilege, a gift we give ourselves to recharge, reflect, and reconnect with our essence. Solitude provides fertile ground for personal growth. It is in these quiet moments, away from the hustle and bustle of daily life, that we find the space to truly reflect and grow. When we step away from the demands of the external world, we allow ourselves the opportunity to breathe, to think, and to simply be. This act of stepping away is not an escape, but rather a journey inward. We create space for introspection, a sacred time to delve into our thoughts and emotions. In solitude, we can hear the whispers of our soul, guiding us towards our true path. We can examine our thoughts, beliefs, and patterns without judgment. This self-examination is a powerful tool, allowing us to understand ourselves on a deeper level. This self-reflection is crucial for personal growth, allowing us to identify areas where we can evolve and become the best versions of ourselves. It is through this process that we can shed old habits and embrace new, healthier ones. Imagine a garden overgrown with weeds. Just as a gardener must tend to their garden, we too must tend to our inner selves. These weeds represent our limiting beliefs, negative thoughts, and unhealthy habits. They choke the life out of our potential, preventing us from flourishing. Solitude is the time we dedicate to pulling these weeds, clearing the path for new growth. It is a deliberate act of self-care, a commitment to our own well-being. It allows us to plant seeds of intention, nurture our dreams, and cultivate a life aligned with our values. Each seed we plant represents a goal, a hope, a vision for our future. Inner peace, much like a delicate flower, requires nurturing and care. It is a fragile state that must be protected and cherished. It thrives in the stillness of solitude, away from the storms of daily life. In these moments of quiet, we find the clarity and strength to face the challenges ahead. When we are constantly bombarded with external stimuli, our minds become agitated, restless, and disconnected from our inner peace. The noise of the world drowns out our inner voice. Solitude offers a refuge, a tranquil space where we can reconnect with our breath, quiet the mind, and experience the profound serenity that resides within. It is a sanctuary for the soul. It is in these moments of quiet contemplation that we cultivate true inner peace, a sense of calm that radiates outward into all aspects of our lives. This inner peace becomes a guiding light, illuminating our path and enriching our journey. Meditation is a powerful example of how solitude can lead to profound insights and inner transformation. It is a practice that invites us to step away from the noise and distractions of daily life and to turn inward, exploring the depths of our own consciousness. It is a practice of intentionally focusing the mind on a single point, such as the breath, which serves as an anchor to the present moment. This focus helps to quiet the mind and bring a sense of calm and clarity. Alternatively, one might focus on a mantra, a word or phrase repeated to aid concentration, or an image, a visual representation that brings peace and focus. By quieting the constant chatter of the mind, meditation allows us to access a deeper level of awareness. This deeper awareness is where we can find insights and understandings that are not accessible in our usual state of mind. Imagine your mind as a lake, constantly disturbed by ripples. These ripples represent our thoughts, emotions, and external distractions. Meditation is the act of allowing the water to become still, so we can see clearly what lies beneath the surface. In this stillness, we can observe our true nature and gain a clearer understanding of ourselves. Through consistent meditation practice, we develop a greater sense of self-awareness, emotional regulation, and a deeper connection to our inner selves. This practice helps us to navigate the complexities of life with more grace and ease, and compassion for ourselves and others. This compassion extends beyond our immediate circle, fostering a sense of empathy and understanding for all beings. Meditation in solitude is a dance with the present moment. It is an intimate experience where we learn to be fully present, appreciating the beauty and richness of each moment as it unfolds. It's about letting go of past regrets and future worries, and fully embracing the now. This practice of presence allows us to experience life more fully and deeply. In the stillness of meditation, we connect with the essence of who we are, beyond the roles we play and the masks we wear. This connection to our true self is a source of strength and authenticity. This journey inward reveals a wellspring of wisdom, creativity, and inner peace. These qualities are always available to us when we create the space to listen and be present with ourselves, and peace that is always available to us when we create the space to listen. This inner peace becomes a guiding light, helping us to navigate the challenges and uncertainties of life with a calm and centered mind. Meditation is a gift we give ourselves, a practice that deepens our connection to ourselves and the world around us. It is a journey of self-discovery and transformation, leading us to a more fulfilling and meaningful life. Section 4. The gift of self-discovery. Unveiling your worth in solitude. Solitude is a powerful catalyst for self-discovery. When we are alone, we are free from the expectations and judgments of others. We can shed the masks we wear for the outside world and connect with our authentic selves. This journey of self-discovery is essential for building genuine self-love and self-worth. Imagine yourself as a masterpiece hidden beneath layers of dust and grime. Solitude is the process of gently wiping away those layers, revealing the beauty and brilliance that lies beneath. It's about recognizing our inherent worthiness, independent of external validation or achievements. In solitude, we learn to appreciate our own company. We discover our passions, our strengths, and our vulnerabilities. We embrace all parts of ourselves, the light and the shadow, with compassion and understanding. This journey of self-acceptance is not always easy, but it is infinitely rewarding. When we learn to love and accept ourselves fully, we create a solid foundation for healthy relationships and a fulfilling life. Section 5. The compass within, finding your true north. In the tapestry of life, it's easy to lose sight of our purpose. The daily grind, the endless to-do lists, and the constant noise of modern living can cloud our vision. We get caught up in the busyness of daily routines, the demands of work, and the expectations of others. The hustle and bustle can make us feel like we're on a treadmill, moving but not truly progressing. Solitude acts as a compass, guiding us back to our true north, our life's purpose. It is in these quiet moments that we can hear the whispers of our soul, reminding us of what truly matters. Imagine yourself lost at sea, tossed about by waves of uncertainty. The storm represents the chaos of life, the challenges and obstacles that can make us feel adrift. Solitude is the lighthouse that guides you back to shore, back to your center. It illuminates the path, offering a beacon of hope and direction when everything else seems dark and confusing. It allows you to connect with your intuition, that inner voice that whispers your truth. This connection is vital, as it helps you navigate the complexities of life with a sense of purpose and clarity. When we quiet the external noise and tune into our inner world, we gain clarity on what truly matters to us. This inner peace is the foundation upon which we can build a life that is true to our values and aspirations. We reconnect with our passions, our values, and our dreams. These are the elements that make life rich and fulfilling, the things that bring us joy and satisfaction. This clarity empowers us to make choices that are aligned with our purpose, leading to a more fulfilling and meaningful life. When we are in tune with our true north, Every decision becomes a step towards our ultimate goals. Solitude provides the space for us to ask ourselves the big questions. What brings me joy? What activities make me lose track of time and feel truly alive? What impact do I want to make on the world? How can I contribute to something greater than myself, leaving a positive mark on the lives of others? What legacy do I want to leave behind? What do I want to be remembered for, and how can I ensure that my actions today align with that vision? The answers to these questions often emerge not in moments of distraction, but in the stillness of solitude. It is in these quiet, reflective times that we can truly understand ourselves and our place in the world, finding the direction we need to navigate our journey with confidence and purpose.